that ties into my next question about completely eliminating people on job sites. And you have, throughout our talk, you've always said that humans are still involved in the running of this machine. They're still monitoring the process. They come back and finish the drywall, the very last stages of the drywall finishing process. They're not completely eliminated. There's still a need for humans on job sites.
Yes, that's correct. And this is the classic robots and jobs question that you cannot have a conversation without talking about. And the way we always like to talk about it is let's talk about tools and jobs. This is another form of tool, and it is going to make everyone more productive. It's going to allow us to produce more, which is exactly what we need, especially at this time. And I think you can take that to a philosophy as well, right? Like if you think about it, what's better for us as a company to allow people to produce, twice as much, and then go on to doing other things and give these tools to more and more people? Or is it better for us to, eliminate a person, but really just do one thing super well? And the best thing is we can actually produce more by getting this in the hands of more people and not really trying to do every little part of the job. And we see, you can imagine very quickly, we could get to doing 70% of the drywall finish. And then it's much better for us to go start working on paint than it is to think about like, hey, let's eliminate a person completely from finishing type of thing.
That's interesting. That's a very interesting. Is that something that you learned during the process? Like when you started the company, was your initial goal to automate the entire thing, but then reality set in and job site conditions set in, and you learned that it's far better to just automate 70% or 80% of the process with a machine?
Well, I think I came in with the mindset as opposed to learned it along the way, because I'd stubbed my toe so much on trying to make robots work in the past and understood kind of that really you're talking about where do you draw your strengths from, and people have amazing strengths in handling all the variation out there and adapting, and so you pair the strengths of two things together and it just makes it that much more powerful. And so that's a philosophy we really came in with when we started the company, and it's it's in our mission statement and our value statement. Like our vision is to enable people to build in bold new ways. Doesn't say anything about automation. And we define ourselves as a technology company focused on improving the affordability and quality of the places we work and live, while improving the working conditions for those who are building them. So again, we don't really talk about automation as our goal. We talk about kind of like, what do we really want to create in the world?